Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a flow chart in PowerPoint. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this empty slide here and I want to basically make a flow chart here. So how I can basically do this? So for this, first of all, make sure that you are into this insert tab here, and in this insert tab here, in this illustrations section here, basically you need to click on this smart art here. Okay, and once this smart art window is open up, you can see the list of different smart arts, different types of smart arts that we can basically add. Okay, so you need to click on this process here, and now here we have all of these different kind of flow charts here basically. Okay, so let's suppose that if you wanted to add this flow chart here, basically like this one, so just click on this one and then click on OK here. Okay, and now if you want to change the size, you can just drag it down here and you can basically adjust it according to your needs. Okay, so just drag it down here and just keep it like this. And now basically if you want, you can change this text and you can enter an image here as well. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.